Hi children, I am Mrs. Parmeshwari Charles here. I am your drawing and craft teacher for this academic year. So let us start today with craft. Topic is how to make paper sunflower. First, let us take origami paper. I have taken 2 yellow color paper, 1 brown color paper, 1 green color paper, Fevicol, pencil and scissor to cut. Let us learn how to make a sunflower. First take yellow color paper. Keep the rest paper aside. Now one I have taken square, one I have taken rectangle. Children, if you don't have paper in square origami, you can take a chart paper how I have taken. It should be in rectangular size and you have to make it square. Now how I have done the square, let us see. First you have to make a triangle fold. And cut the rest one. This is how I have made my square. So children, if you don't have paper, don't worry, you can make like that squares and you can use to make a craft. So let me keep this aside and let me take only one paper in my hand. Let us start. So first fold for your sunflower is triangle fold. Second, again a triangle fold. Now how you are going to make this triangle? With the help of these 2 points. Children, these 2 points. You are going to match them together. This is your second triangle fold. Now the third triangle fold. Just turn this. Again you get same 2 points. You have to match them together. Then the fourth triangle. Just with the help of this point, twist your paper like that. This was your fourth triangle. See, after making this triangle, you can see backside it is something like that. After this, you have to draw a diagram. Now let us see how to draw a diagram. To draw a diagram, you are going to use pencil, children, but I am using marker over here because it is visible. See. Now you can see this point of the fold. Right over here, you will keep your pencil point and you will just draw one line. You don't have to make full line, only this much. And then you are going to cut this. See children now. After this, if you open and see, your sunflower is ready. So children, how easy it was. This is one part. Now another part, you have to do it same fold with the second yellow paper and same cutting you have to do it in the another yellow paper. Now I have already done the second one. Now see children how to match this. You just have to keep them both together in the center and see that you match like that. Not one upon one. The petal should not be in one upon one. Give little gap for the second one and see that your sunflower looks like that. After this, you glue it in center. And just stick the part. Keep aside. I am taking green color for the stem and for the leaves. To make the stem and leaf, first you have to make a rectangle fold. And just cut this. Keep one part aside and use this part to make a stem. Children, to make a stem, you are going to roll it from one point. Now see how I am rolling it. You can use pencil. If not directly also you can roll. Now I am using pencil. See your children. After getting, just remove your pencil out and continue with this. And just stick the remaining one like that. And keep this aside. And keep this aside. Now take another part. Again make this rectangle. With the help of these four corners, just match them and fold and make again one more rectangle. Now again you have to draw your children to make a leaf. Now see, this is the folded side and this is the open side. So where to draw? You have to draw in your folded side, not the open side. Okay children? So see, this is my folded side. Draw a leaf. And then after drawing this leaf shape, you have to cut this with the help of scissors. See children, you will get two leaves. See, after opening, your leaf will look somewhat like that. Now after finishing this, I am taking my brown color paper to make the center circle. You have to draw a small circle in center. Cut this. After getting all this ready, now you have to assemble them together. Now children, how to join them together? After sticking these two sunflower together, you have to again glue in center and you have to stick this brown color circle in center. See children. After this, you have made the green color stem. Just flatten this way with your hand and glue them here. and stick it right behind. Something like that. And these two leaves, if you want, you can stick one. Otherwise, if you want, you can stick both the leaves. Stick it behind the stem. After that, you can detail them with putting dots in center. Giving little shading to your sunflower. And some details in your leaves. And your sunflower is ready. This is how your sunflower looks, children. How easy and pretty it looks. After you finish with these folds, children, please keep your craft safe. After school reopens, we shall stick them in our drawing book. Today, I have taught you how to make a sunflower. You have to practice these folds at home for making your assignment more easy. Do not forget to click your assignment and send it in your class group. Thank you. See you all in the next class. Bye.